Chapati has become a regular food even in a South Indian household also. When my childhood to turn into younger, just remembering chapatis being made only very rarely. It was always a puri that was made regularly. The chapati dough was mixed with a good amount of oil for flavor and softness. It made correctly, the extra oil isn't even necessary. You will be making chapati dough using a technique and using a baking called you know routines autolyze. The meaning of autolyze is the term used in baking breads. It is nothing but a rusting period between mixing and kneading. It helps the flour to absorb more liquid. It's nothing but mixing the flour and water just until mixed and the water is not seen anymore. Mixing too much will active the gluten in the flour too much and interfere in absorption of flour by the flour. Salt is never added to the flour during the autolysis, according to you know Rich Evil. I mean, inventor of the autolysis and as in inhibits absorption process. The process here is how to make chapati. DOUGH. So, there is a 50% hydration dough. It will be using cup flour to half cup water. By value. Put 1 cup of flour in the bowl. Add half a cup of water mixed with a spoon. We are not trying to kneading anything yet. Just mix. When there is no more water visible, stop mixing. Cover the bowl. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Yes. After 30 minutes, add a salt. Gently mix the dough for 2 minutes. Just enough to gather the dough into small pieces. Cover the bowl and set aside for 30 minutes. Divide the dough into lime-sized balls. Set an iron pan on medium-high heat. Let it become hot. Take a dough ball and generously dust it with flour. Roll the dough into a 4-inch round and fall smooth. A surface using a rolling pan. Place the chapati on the hot griddle. Let it cook for 10 or 15 seconds until the bubbles start to form on top. Flip the chapati, cook for 30 seconds more. Gently press on the top of the chapati to make the chapati puff up. One more time, press on the top. Chapati should beautifully full up. It making pulkas. Just full up the direction flame and it will fluff up. Yes. See, I have listened it's a complaint. Some of you have complained that dough being little sticky and rolling has been a problem. The wheat flour differs from place to place and from brand to brand, and it perfectly works to mix in some dry flour to the dough to make it soft and pliable after 30 minutes rest. Chapati's dough, DOUGH, should not be sticky. You should be able to roll it well after initial dusting the flour. So feel free to add flour if need be. 2 flip method. See, ensuring that the chapati is flipped only twice during a cooking makes for a soft and fluffy chapati. Line a bowl with a cotton towel. Place the cooked chapati on the bowl. Cover with a towel. Chapati will stay beautifully stronger longer. So this is about for chapati. Story about this one, and few important points we are going to discuss. Put 1 cup flour, once again repeating, in the bowl. Add half a cup of water, mix with a spoon. When there is no more water visible, stop mixing. Cover the bowl with let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add some salt. Gently mix dough for 2 minutes, just enough to gather dough into the piece. Cover the bowl and set 30 minutes. Divide the dough DOUGH into lion-sized balls. Set a iron pan on the medium-high heat. Let it become heat. Take a dough ball and generously dust it with a flour. Roll the dough into 4-inch round and smooth, flat, smooth surface using the rolling pan. Place the chapati on a hot griddle. Let it cook for 10-15 seconds, not minutes, seconds, until the bubble starts on the top. Flip the chapati and cook until 30 seconds later. Gently, already show your finger. Gently press on the top of chapati to make the chapati flip on one more time and press on top. Chapati should beautifully flip up, and making pulkas, just flip the direct flame and it will fluff up. Line the bowl with a cotton towel. Place the cooked chapati on the bowl and cover with the towel. Chapati will stay beautifully soft for a long time. The original auto style chapati is from me, and thank you so much for your cooperation. I need you guys. Only one thing you should do, please, 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 subscribe me. Thank you so much. Please forward to your friends, family members, and everyone. That time I can able to reach you. Yeah, simply as told, this one is very simple and very easily. And thank you so much. Next video will be soon. Thank you. Goodbye.